Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add new country to country list in WooCommerce checkout form using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and this is our country region. So we are going to add new country. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Then in code you see add filter and then you see new country array. So this is our new country name, WebTaskWithHassan. So you can add country name according to your requirement and then you see WTWH and then scroll down. Again you see add filter, add my country to continent and then you see continent EU. So you can add according to your requirement and then you see we are using same word WTWH here. So you can add country name according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now you see country region. Now select. So right here web task. So this is our new country name. So you can add country name according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.